Baby indulged me and we are in San Nicolas. Heather is a warrior. Here for the murals. Thank you so much. I love you. You scared? Okay. Just fine. There's a little promenade up here. We'll walk around. A little hot snack, cold drink. If you see any murals you want a picture in, I want to see this one. It's like at nighttime it's solid and in daytime it's like bones. It's like a human. It's weird looking. I want to see it. Sleepy little town. We'll just stay on this road so we don't get turned around. There it is. Thing's cool. I'm trying to get a sweatshirt. Now it says shopping and dining that way. What is going on here?
I think that was it.
No, it says this way too. Bet he's got some good hair oil in there for my hair. Yeah, see, we're here at quiet time. Nighttime, this is popping, guaranteed.
There's nothing here.
It's because it's not open yet. All the bars, aka brothels, open at 6 p.m. There's nothing here. TikTok shirt. Hey guys, what's happening? Freaking Egypt with all these street dogs around here. He is real cute. You're good looking. You're fresh homeless, I can tell. Cool. Just cross over here and we'll turn around in a minute. Well, I was hoping for a little beverage, but it don't look like that's gonna happen.
There's nothing here. Visitor center closed.
Wow. That's crazy. What's she up to over there? Alright, let's cross the road. And we'll just double back. Take a peek at this thing. I think maybe the owners just let him out for the day. Oh, you're following us now?
Hey, buddy.
Man, I ain't got nothing for you to eat. It looks like his brother. Are y'all brothers? Look like some kind of retriever or something. Yeah. Where the motherfucking Jenks at? I'd like to walk down that, but it looked too seedy. I'm no Kurt Kaz. Shout out Kurt. Maybe if I was solo and put other people in that kind of risk. I don't really have much fear. I can have what I have, I don't care. Can I just keep my passport, sir? Take everything else. I'm just gonna pretty much wrap our video up here in a few. Definitely the right decision to come back with you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Won't much to do around here. I would have just been up on the other side of the island, you know, at the beaches and stuff. I thought this was gonna be a lot more busy, more things happening.
I feel like maybe some of it was pre-pandemic and a lot of stuff just couldn't survive no tourism for so long.
Yeah, true. Ooh, this is over here. Just gonna look at this. Meet you up on the corner. Thanks for indulging your silly man. You just venture over this little side since the police station's right there. We'll just go check out this building. Just take a peek at the First Church of Aruba. Man, I thought there was gonna be some street vendors with good food. I really did. Cold drinks. Get a drink out of Sicko, maybe. There's church. You take a peek at the gas pumps and see what they look like as far as the price per gallon. $3 a liter, about. And that's St. Nicholas. Sorry we didn't have too much more to show y'all. Some action, some food, some glamour, some glitz, but we tried. Okay, thank you. against the wall. What the hell? How did I miss it? Yeah, thank you. Hold on. Did we come up this far? No? Perhaps we weren't in the right spot after all. That's one of the world's most famous bars. That's that Charlie's Bar.
Yeah, it's like one of the few.
Want to have a drink?
No, I'm good.
Okay. It's one of the few food things they showed on Google.
Yeah.
Try not to
Most of the
film.
bars I see are actually gentlemen's clubs.
Yeah, that's what it all is. 6 p.m. Yeah, things don't start here till later. It's when all the single men up in Rajastad come down here at night. Honey, I'm just going to go on a little drive around the island alone. Which, legal prostitution, one thing I don't understand. You have to be tested here. Okay, I understand that. But are you tested after every John? He could have given you herpes, crabs, and then you get on to the next guy. But okay, but it ain't open. In case you're feeling unsafe, plenty of police presence around here. I think it's all in knowing how to act, showing respect for the local community. Come around here acting like an asshole. I don't think anything good's gonna come out of it. Filming. And that was a little look at San Nicolas Aruba, second largest city, local spot.